Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I want to show you how to make this simple freeform pendant necklace. So this is our SS01 stainless chain, and I love it because it's non-tarnish. And so for this necklace is super simple. All you have to do is open up the jump ring. So I'm just going to put a pair of pliers on either side of that jump ring, and I'm just going to gently twist that open. Then I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to pick which pendant that I want to use. And I think I want to use this pretty labradorite one. So I'm just going to cut off this. And then all I have to do is take this chain and put it through. And then I just want to put the jump ring back attached. So just want to get to the end of this. Put that through. And then close your jump ring. Make sure that your jump ring is closed back very tightly, otherwise it will slide out again. And that's it. That's all it takes to make this necklace. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.